Orlando Tower, Airbus November 5, 1049er frequency change. Approach Airbus November 5, 1049er is type Airbus A321, 2 miles east of 0 Foxtrot Lima, 1,300 feet. Request flight following.
Airbus November 51049er approach. Squawk 264 tree.
Squawk 264 tree Airbus 049er.
Airbus 049er radar contact 2 miles northeast of 0 Foxtrot Lima 3,500 feet. Altimeter 29er. 902.
Roger Airbus 049er. Approach Airbus November 5, 1049er 3 miles east of 901 Foxtrot Lima, 4,800 foot. Request IFR to FT Lauderdale. Ready to copy.
Airbus November 51049er is cleared to FT Lauderdale Airport as filed. Squawk 264 tree.
Airbus November 5, 1049er cleared to FT Lauderdale Airport as filed. Squawk 264 tree.
Airbus 049er readback correct. Radar contact 5,900 feet. Altimeter 29er. 902 turn left heading 185 resume own navigation descend and maintain 800 feet.
Turn left heading 185. Proceed on course descend and maintain 800 foot Airbus 049er.